Welcome to my English learning channel. In this channel, I will share tips, strategies, and activities to help you improve your English skills. My goal is to make your language learning enjoyable and effective. Get ready to dive into a world of language learning where I'll provide practical guidance and engaging content to improve your proficiency. Let's start this exciting adventure together, and please follow my Instagram and Facebook. Their links are in caption. Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Now let's start our third lesson together, present simple action verbs. Now we are going to learn how to make present simple with action verbs. Let's review what is an action verb first. For example, drink, eat, go, read. These are some examples of action verbs. Why do we call them action verbs? Because usually there is an action going on. So let's see where and how we are using action verbs. For example, I go, I walk, he goes, he walks, she goes, she walks, it goes, it walks, you go, you walk, we go, we walk, they go, they walk. But pay attention. Why did we say he, she, or it goes or walks? Let's see how it works. So in our previous slide, you saw that he, she, it, or let's say singular, third person, action verbs finished with an S. Why is that? Our third person singular, for example, my father, my mother, my friend, his father, her father, his pet, which we can refer to them as he, she, or it. The action verbs always end up with S in simple present tense. And as you can see on the board, we have three groups. According to the last letter of the action verb, we can decide either like our first column, add S, or our second column, ES, or our third column, IES. Now let's look at some examples together. I like tea. You walk to school. Now please pay attention. She works in a bank. He reads a lot. It plays with its ball. You cook well. We drink a lot of water. They run every evening. Let's remember the verb have turns to has for he, she, and it, that we call them third person singular. So let's take a look at some examples together. I have a cat. You have school tomorrow. He has a small house. She has a red car. It has red walls. You have nice children. We have a big house. They have a lot of toys. Now it's time to look at some questions together. As you know, you can pause the video, answer the questions, then we are going to check the answers together. Now, if you're ready, let's check our answers together. I wake up at 6 o'clock. She eats ice cream. He likes horses. It plays with a ball. You love flowers. We watch TV. They read the magazine. Now that we learned about action verbs, let's talk about our daily routine. I go first. Here is my daily routine. So, I wake up at 6:30, wash my face, brush my teeth, have breakfast at 8 o'clock, and then go for a walk at 9 o'clock, take a shower at 10:45, read a book at 11 o'clock, have lunch at 1 o'clock, then I clean the house at 4 o'clock. Afterward, I would like to watch a movie in the evening, then have my dinner at 8 o'clock, and I go to bed at 10 o'clock. Now, I would very much like to hear about your daily routine. You can write them in the comment part. Thank you for joining me in this video. If you have any questions, please leave a comment and I'll be happy to answer them. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like this video. Stay tuned for my next video. See you soon!